Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? I like this one. I like this one. I'll come back later. I'll come back later. Can you hold this for me? Can you hold this for me? Do you sell souvenirs? Do you sell souvenirs? Where is the nearest store? Where is the nearest store? Can I get the receipt, please? Can I get the receipt, please? I'd like to exchange this. I'd like to exchange this. Can I see that one? Can I see that one? I don't have enough money. I don't have enough money. I'll think about this. I'll think about this. Can I get a gift bag? Can I get a gift bag? How much is it in total? How much is it in total? Is this price fixed? Is this price fixed? Can I get a discount card? Can I get a discount card? Do you have loyalty points? Do you have loyalty points? This is too expensive for me. This is too expensive for me. Can I pay in cash? Can I pay in cash? Do you sell snacks here? Do you sell snacks here? Can I see your catalog? Can I see your catalog? I need a shopping basket. I need a shopping basket. Do you have a bigger size? Do you have a bigger size? Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a smaller size? Can I buy this online? Can I buy this online? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help.